Reeling him in.
Hi guys, welcome to Oz Kids. Today we're making spaghetti. And these are the ingredients. Oil. And then pasta sauce. Carrots. Zucchini. What's that stuff again?
Garlic.
Garlic. And onion.
Mince.
Minced meat. And then spaghetti. First, we're going to chop up the onion.
So chop up the onion. You've got to be very careful when... Oh, it's not a very good onion. We might get a different onion.
I picked the wrong onion.
Oh no. No, we can just chop that bit away.
Yeah.
Ready?
Shing.
Chop him away, that's better. Alright, you can't just waste food, can you?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's
So
a
get rid of
thing.
that out of the way. Keep your fingers out of the way.
Yeah.
But yeah, today I'm helping Tyler.
Yeah.
And we're gonna... Oh, we're not very good at this. Alright, we're going to make spaghetti and make a bit of a mess too. Shh, don't tell Mum. Alright. So we're going to chop up some onion. And then we
It smells nice good.
Is it making you cry yet?
No.
No. Alright, so there's our onion. Oh, we forgot to turn on the oven.
Ah!
Quick, over here. This one. Turn on this one. And then this will be for here.
Yeah.
So we'll get the oil. And we just tip the oil in. Just a
Like
splash.
crazy. Splash, 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 splash.
Done. Alright, and then after we've done the oil, we want some garlic. Garlic. Sometimes we use fresh garlic, but this time we're just using a jar. We'll grab a spoon. Spoon. And some people just use a little bit of garlic, but we like to use lots of garlic.
Smells
Just
good.
have a smell.
Smells good to me.
I probably should have been a little bit hotter, but that's okay. Alright, we'll put some of this stuff in the bin. Keep our area tidy.
Yeah. So Mummy doesn't know.
That's right. Alright, so what we've got to do now is we're going to chuck the onion in with the garlic. It's all sizzling nicely. Get it all in there.
That's good that it's sizzling.
Yeah.
So don't be worried.
No, it's a good thing, but you just you make sure you stand back a little bit so that you don't get any bits of oil on you.
Yeah. Or in your eye.
Yeah, that would be terrible, getting oil in your eye.
Or onion.
Onion in your eye. I think that makes you cry. Yeah. Alright, what's next?
Maybe we should do...
We have to get the meat ready. When that's browned, over here, we have to get the meat ready. And then
do the
we have to
pasta?
peel the vegetables. The pasta, have a look over at the pasta here. We've got the water in there. And it's on, so we've got some water and it's going to start boiling.
It doesn't look like in the camera, but there's water.
There's water in there. Everyone just has to believe us.
Yeah. Trust me.
Trust me. Don't ever trust anybody that says trust me.
Hey!
Alright.
Because one half looks darker than the other.
Yeah.
That's how you cut open stuff.
Hey, I was really fast. Alright, what else do we need?
Stuff out of the drawer. Hey, ice cream scooper. Hey, spoon.
Do you reckon we use an ice cream scoop
Yeah.
to scoop this out? Everyone else can see? No, we don't use an ice cream scooper. No, what I'm looking for, actually... Oh, it's almost time for this to go in.
We could put it in then.
You reckon just like now?
Yeah.
You ready? Yeah! Get this piece of wrapper off.
Why'd they even put that in there in the first place?
I don't know. I think it's like for freshness.
But why would you want it fresh if you have to cook it? I don't
Because
get
you don't want it to be not fresh.
I can do it.
You don't want your meat to be fresh.
Stabbing it. He's a serial killer.
What?
Hey, Daddy, do you eat cereal?
I've eaten cereal. I like Cocoa Pops.
You're a serial killer. Did you kill them? He's mixing it.
Mix.
Wait, so you know how I don't like onion?
Yeah.
Mm.
Spaghetti's always had onion in it, and you like the spaghetti with onion.
Ah! Sure. Hey, carrots!
Whoa.
You broke it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Peeler.
Peel.
Carrot. Go.
Don't do it too fast, you might chop yourself.
This is how we go really fast.
You might chop yourself.
Don't tell Mum we're making a mess.
I gotta tell Mom after.
No, you're not. Don't do it. Alright.
It's okay.
This is how you peel carrots. It's the only way. You have to just do
Wait,
it
the
fast.
only way to peel carrots if you click that like button.
Oh, that's
And
how
then-
you peel carrots. Is
Yeah.
click that like button.
And then save the carrots.
Mm.
And the subscribe button.
Oh,
And
so
every button there.
we can't keep going until you click the button. Waiting,
Nuh-uh.
waiting. Have you done it yet?
Have you done it? Yes, I did.
Okay, they did it.
Yeah.
All right. So that's them done.
There's more carrot on there.
There's lots of carrot. All right. We've
There's-
still got this spoon in the way.
Yeah.
All right. So that's that. Nice. Quick. Yeah.
There was an arm in the way.
Ah.
Ah!
Watch out for your fingers. Don't mistake
Don't
your finger for a carrot.
don't do this at home unless you're very old.
Unless you've got parental supervision.
Yeah. And you don't use the sharpest knife in your house. Messy bin.
Messy bin.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we need now... Oh, let's have a look over here. How's this going?
It's looking like meat.
You can't just look at it. You have to point the camera at it.
Still looking like meat.
Oh, well, yeah, it does look like meat. Do you know why?
'Cause
I've
it's
got a
meat?
secret. Because it is meat.
Hi,
Hey, y'all.
Ah!
Alright, I need to find the grater. Alright, this is like my secret recipe for spaghetti. What I do is I grate some carrot and zucchini and put it in there.
And I don't even know.
That's too big. We have to use this side.
You put carrot in there?
Yeah, and so it's healthy spaghetti, and nobody even knows.
I didn't know you put carrot in there.
Yeah, well there you go, and it still
Do
tastes
you always put carrots on?
every time. And does it taste good? Is it like your favourite sort of spaghetti? No, now you don't like my spaghetti.
Yes. And you too. And everybody else too.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I haven't had it.
Well, maybe they can try and cook it at home.
Well, maybe kids can't.
Well, they can cook it with their parents.
Maybe parents are too old.
I don't think so. Am I too old now? Do I look old? Oh, stop looking at my grey hair. Were you just looking at my grey hair?
Maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
That is not how you peel carrots.
No, that's how you grate carrots, not peel them.
Well, the same thing.
Oh, look at this. Here's a zucchini.
It's a zucchini.
Yes, it's a zucchini.
It comes from the zoo.
in a bikini.
Yes.
I do the same with this. Just grate the zucchini.
No. You grate the head.
It's almost gone.
Yeah, it's almost
See?
gone.
Look.
It looks like a pineapple.
Mhm. Look at the pattern. Patterns.
Mum's here.
Shh, don't tell her we put vegetables in there and made a mess.
He dropped the carrot.
Why are you telling her that we made a mess?
I'm joking.
It was an onion, anyway.
It was an onion.
There she goes, quick. She said, when we're finished, it better not look like we've ever been in here.
I got Mummy on camera.
You got Mummy on camera. Just so everybody knows, Mummy doesn't like being on camera. Alright.
She could have
Look at
had
the
that.
hand wash. Look, it's starting to brown the meat.
Yeah.
I think you've got some pretty crazy camera skills. Maybe people can write comments and tell us what they think of your camera skills.
Probably grey hair.
That's got nothing. What's grey hair got to do with your camera skills?
I can still see that meat looks like peanuts.
The meat looks like peanuts?
Yes.
Are you alright?
Crushed peanuts.
Did you escape from somewhere crazy? Because
Possibly.
I don't know how it looks like crushed peanuts.
There's a peanut there. There's a peanut there.
Alright, so do you think they're starting to look brown now?
A little
A
bit.
little bit browned?
Well,
Mostly?
now.
Yeah.
And that's a very fast chopper. Upper.
Yeah. Well, I think that's just about ready for our other ingredients to start going in.
What time is it?
Well, I don't know what time it is. Maybe like 6:30?
No.
Almost dinner time?
No. I know what time it is.
Dinner time?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Yes. All right. So we'll sprinkle this in.
And some
This
sprinklers.
is our zucchini. Sprinkling it in.
And it's sprinklers.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, you drink the sprinkler water.
Oh, yes. I drink water
I can
out
tell.
of the sprinkler all the time. Don't you?
No. Carrot
Look,
juice.
Carrot juice.
Wait.
Carrot juice.
Don't say it out loud.
Why?
Mum might be here.
Oh, no. I mean, we did not put any carrot juice all over the chopping board.
Don't say that. I don't think we
We
did.
just had to tell everybody else. I think you're like a crazy recorder. I see you recording the ground all the time.
Yeah.
Why?
Dad, did you know I'm the tiler? I put the tiles on your wall.
You're a tiler. You put tiles on the wall.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy. All right. Shh, don't let anybody see this.
That's carrot from the pan.
Or that. Don't you see that? No, I didn't do that either.
Yes, he did.
Oh,
He
look,
threw
can you
it.
see the steam starting to come out of the pot of water?
Hey, there it is.
Mmm.
The cameras can see it.
Yeah. Because that's starting to get warm.
It looks like a tornado on the camera.
Oh, a tornado. We could show you a tornado.
No, we couldn't.
I've seen one.
You have?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It was massive. I recorded it.
Was it real?
It wasn't a real tornado. It was just like in Australia we get ones that are willy willies. Little dust storm ones. I'll show you on this video here.
Yeah. Smash, 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 smash.
I think we're going to have to do some cleaning up.
Yeah, a lot.
Alright,
cleaner.
so we'll pause it there and we'll come back and it'll be just me magic clean. You ready?
Zip, 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 zip.
Ready? Point it here, and when I go 1, 2, 3, it'll be clean.
Yeah.
But I have to do it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom! It's clean now.
Sure,
That was pretty good.
They saw you before you said that.
They saw my shirt because you keep looking at my shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
It was magic. That's all there is. It was magic.
No, it wasn't.
It was magic.
You sure? Because I
Well,
watched
yeah.
it. I watched it.
And now you're telling everybody it wasn't magic. The sauce. The sauce. This one here. So we got
Yeah.
extra garlic.
Yeah. Like garlic. Ew.
Can you open it for me?
I don't
It's
know.
really hard to open. No, you have to open it for me.
Oh,
See?
I know.
Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, see, you've got the muscles. Put the lid down. Alright. Don't worry, man.
Blood. Dad, you just killed the
And
sauce.
here's the next one. This is bolognese sauce. Oh, I was only joking. Before I could have done it really easy, but I thought I'd let you have a turn.
You killed the sauce.
And I like to put a little bit of water in there.
You like to put blood in there. That's called the sauce blood.
Sauce blood?
Yeah.
Right.
It's
So
the
I
blood.
put a little bit of
It's the
water
blood.
in the jar and shake it up.
That's
And then
weird.
I tip it into here.
It looks
And
like.
do you know what happens? It just gets all the rest of the stuff out of the jar.
Hmm?
And I tip it into here.
I think there's going to be water in
See?
us.
I got the rest of the stuff in there.
But now there's going to be water in there.
No, it's just a little bit.
Same.
It's fine.
I smell.
Should we mix it up now?
Yeah. Don't get the sauce out of the pan.
pretty-
Trust me.
No, don't never
That's
trust
me.
a person who says trust me.
You never trust a stranger.
That's right.
But we are strangers.
Well, we're cool.
Well, that doesn't matter.
No. If you saw us on the street, you'd be like, don't talk to me. I don't talk to strangers.
Well, they would most likely want to have our autograph.
And we'd be like, we don't know you. You're a stranger.
Yeah. We don't say stranger.
Stranger danger. Alright, so we'll let this here cook for a little bit. And
For like 1 second for you.
for
But not
1
for
second for you guys. For us, it might be about maybe 5-10 minutes just to get rid of some of this water here.
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Get rid of, there's a bit of liquid. We want that to boil off.
It's because you put water in it.
Yeah, oh, this is for the juice. It's making good spaghetti juice.
On the camera, it all looks like blood.
Was
What's going to be the secret ingredient?
one of these.
And then a cookie.
Don't tell anyone.
I will.
Well, then I can't do it then.
I won't.
Okay. Right. Alright, just a little bit.
That's sugar.
Just a little bit.
Why are you putting sugar?
Can people see you putting it in there?
It's not salt. It's sugar.
It could be salt. That'll be funny.
Why is it in the sugar bit?
Because it is.
I'm telling Mom.
What?
It's a secret ingredient. Secret Krabby Patty ingredient.
The Krabby Patties.
Yeah. But this is for the top of the Krabby Patties. So technically just the patties.
Yeah, so
And no
that'll just
crabs?
boil for a little bit. We'll leave it and we'll get back to it. Alright. See you in a minute. Alright, now what's it time for now?
To smell it.
No, we do. Okay, let's smell it.
Don't go too close.
Okay. Alright.
You
but
burn
now,
your
what's the
beard.
time for now?
It's time for bed. It's time for to put the noodles in.
Okay, we'll put the spaghetti in. What does it say?
Spaghetti.
It says spaghetti.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll put the spaghetti in.
Just pour it.
Pour it in.
Pour it like
Ready?
crazy.
What about this
Some-
bit?
Don't eat that.
What?
Don't you dare. Ah! He's eating it.
Go on.
My turn.
You want to eat a piece?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, give me this. Yeah. Is it crunchy?
Yeah.
Mmm. I don't think it's ready yet.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's boiling in there. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
But don't
See
be
all
a
the
baby.
steam coming off. It sounds crunchy. Oop. Oh, lucky. I was going to tell Mum you dropped on the floor. I think we should put a little bit of oil in there. Stop it from being sticky. Alright, so now, I think this one here is almost ready. So we've taken it off the heat because most of the moisture is gone. So that's good there. We're happy with that one. But in here, the pasta.
You can tell that's water now.
Well, of course it's water. What, you think nobody believed us?
Yes.
We just get a piece like this.
Yeah. And then go.
Good. It's ready to go. Alright, so we're going to grab this. You have to be very careful because it's hot boiling water.
Also, first, you need to wash your hands.
We've already washed our hands. Alright, so now we're ready to get rid of the water and we're going to have to put it in the strainer, which is over here. So tip him in here. You gotta watch out for all the steam. It's pretty hot. Whoa.
What's
That was
over
pretty
here?
crazy. Alright. Can you see all the steam? It's pretty hot.
Just serve it, and then you guys can watch us eat.
Don't think anyone wants to watch us eat. Alright. Oh, we forgot something.
What did we forget?
We forgot to grate some cheese. Quick, we'll go get the cheese. Alright, so we got yeah.
Don't grate your hands though.
No, you have to be careful.
No one ever wants to do that.
You don't want to break the bowl either.
True.
Break the bowl, I think we'll be in trouble. So, the last little bit of cheese.
Hey, where'd the cheese go? Have you seen the cheese?
Nope.
I found it. It's in there.
Oh, it's right here. See? We've got our pile of cheese.
Well, I'm eating all of it.
Oh, I don't think you are.
Yes, I am,
For
yeah.
our dinner. It's lucky because I already cleaned this table off.
Give
So
me a
it's
bit.
not full of carrot juice or anything, I cleaned it. Alright, and here's our plates all ready to go for the spaghetti.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Whose plates are they?
One for you, one for Mom, one for me, one for Maya.
Right, so grab one here.
You should go get Maya.
We should get one.
Yeah.
She can come when it's dinner time.
Well then she can't. We can't get her on a video.
Yeah, she can come after.
But then we still can't get her on.
Look,
It's so long. Why is it too long?
What?
Why is it too long?
I don't know if it is too long.
Whose one is that?
No, that's probably Maya's.
Wait.
Yours.
No. This isn't good.
What?
Maya's plate is gone.
Maya's plate's gone.
No, I think it's yours. Might be Mum's. Might be mine.
You know where it is. It's right here.
No, well, okay. I was worried. Hey, we've got one extra bowl. That bowl's for me, eh?
Oh, the cheese bowl?
Yep.
No, I don't think so.
Why is the cheese hot? Because it's boiling.
Right, so there's all them.
Now it's time to add the meat on. Then add cheese. Hey, cameraman.
Look who's come. Look who's here.
Hey, Maya. Wave, 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 wave. There. Well, don't put that too close to me. Now there's a big
for
chunk
you.
out of it.
Yeah, no, I know. I
then
couldn't
the-
find a spoon. So this is what daddies do. They just use other things. So we're using a cup measure.
A measuring cup. It's not called a cup measure.
Oh,
A
isn't
cup measure would be
That's
a
a
measuring
lot.
cup. What is actually a cup, but then you can measure with it.
Mm.
True, that's a lot. My hands hurt. Apparently apparently being a cameraman isn't so good.
It's not so good.
I'm going to eat the
No,
rest.
but you don't even point out where we're cooking, so.
Hey!
This is our leftovers. You can chuck this in
Yum,
here.
yum, yum. And then we can eat that later.
And we can stir it all up. And that can be like for lunch tomorrow.
Stirring.
It's tomorrow. It's for tomorrow.
No, it's for today. And then you say, my mouth. Garlic product. No. Hey, Mom, hold the camera.
What?
Put that down and hold the camera. Hey, you can't put fingers on it.
Dad can put that out.
So should we put some cheese on them?
We could put some cheese in my mouth.
No. Add a little bit of cheese here. A little bit of cheese over here. A little bit of cheese over here.
And a little bit of cheese in here.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's a
I
plate
think
in
you're
it.
pretty crazy.
Hey, you can't go that high. Show them the fruit
Cheesy.
bowl. Show them the fruit bowl.
You want to see our fruit? Well, there's fruit.
Well, at least it's not. It hasn't been growing on trees.
How much cheese have we got?
Too much.
Lots of cheese for Dad.
Look, where's mine for my mouth? Hey.
Are you watching?
You just got cheese.
You got cheese, fool.
I don't even know.
Alright, so there we go. There's our 4 spaghettis. It was good.
And you cannot.
Maya's interrupting our little videos.
I don't care. I want to.
So there's our 4 spaghettis. All good. And now we're going to sit down and eat it.
Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. And if you don't, I'm not mysterious. Click the subscribe button, like this video, and click that bell. Might be up there. Well, it's down there. And then click every good button you see.